Save more with the Low Payment Kings.
Attention all consumers who currently have a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Alfa Romeo, or Fiat in your driveway. The Low Payment Kings can currently offer you up to $2,250 of owner loyalty bonus cash on select new 2021 models. We can currently offer you over 2,000 new and used vehicles that we have in stock and incoming. The Low Payment Kings buy more so we can save you more. In Florida, we have Alfa Romeo Fiat of Winter Haven, Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Winter Haven, Lake Wales Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and Posner Park Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat. In the Midwest, we have the Buckeye Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat Superstore, and we just added a new store in Defiance, Ohio, LPK Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Defiance, and our original store in Monroe, Michigan, right between Detroit and Toledo, really in the hub of the Motor City, the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. The Low Payment Kings want to satisfy and retain all of our clients, and we can ship new vehicles anywhere in America, and we can ship our used vehicles anywhere in the world.
Visit us today at lowpaymentkings.com.